ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ अष्टमोऽध्यायः। अक्षरब्रह्मयोगः। यत्र काले त्वनावृत्तिम् आवृत्तिं चैव योगिनः प्रयाता यान्ति तं कालं वक्ष्यामि भरतर्षभा। अग्निर्ज्योतिरः शुक्लः षण्मासा उत्तरायणम् तत्र प्रयाता गच्छन्ति ब्रह्मविदो जनाः। धूमो रात्रिस्तथा कृष्णः षण्मासा दक्षिणायनम् तत्र चान्द्रमसञ्ज्योतिः योगी प्राप्य निवर्तते। शुक्लकृष्णे गतिह्येते जगतः शाश्वते मते। एकया यात्यनावृत्तिम् अन्यया वर्तते पुनः। शुक्लकृष्णे गतिह्येते जगतः शाश्वते मते। एकया यात्यनावृत्तिम् अन्यया वर्तते पुनः। शुक्ल light, कृष्णे darkness, gati paths, he verily, ete these two, jagatah of the world, shashvate eternal, mate are considered. Ekaya by one, yati goes, anavrittim to no return, anyaya by the other, avartate returns, punaha again. नैते श्रुति पार्थ जानन् योगी मुह्यति कश्चन। तस्मात् सर्वेषु कालेषु योगयुक्तो भवार्जुन। नैते सृति पार्थ जानन् योगी मुह्यति कश्चन तस्मात् सर्वेषु कालेषु योगयुक्तो भवार्जुन। न, never, ete, these two, sriti, paths, partha, O Arjuna, the son of Pritha, janan, having known, yogi, a yogi, muhyati, bewildered, kaschana, any, tasmat, therefore, sarveshu, in all, kaleshu, in times, yoga yuktaha, steady in yoga, bhava, you be, Arjuna, O Arjuna. The Jivatma, during its journey on earth, pursues either the path of light or the path of darkness. Steadfast in yoga, the enlightened soul is liberated and merges with Brahman after departing from the earth, while the ignorant one returns to the earth to progress again towards its goal. These two paths of the world, of light and darkness, are considered eternal. By one path, one goes to the state of no return. By the other, one has to return again to the world. O son of Pritha, having known these two paths, the yogi is never bewildered. Therefore, O Arjuna, be steady in yoga at all times. वेदेषु यज्ञेषु तपस्सु चैव दानेषु यत् पुण्यफलं प्रदिष्टम् अत्येति तत्सर्वमिदं विदित्वा योगी परं स्थानमुपैति चाद्यम्। वेदेषु यज्ञेषु तपस्सु चैव दानेषु यत् पुण्यफलं प्रदिष्टम् अत्येति तत्सर्वमिदं विदित्वा योगी परं स्थानमुपैति चाद्यम्। Vedeshu, by studying the Vedas, Yajneshu, by performing sacrificial rites, Tapahsu, by engaging in austerities, Cha, and Eva, verily, Daneshu, by charity, Yat, whatever, Punya Phalam, results of meritorious deeds, Pradishtam, proclaimed, Atyeti, rises above, Tat, that, Sarvam, all, idam, this, viditva, having known, yogi, a yogi, param, supreme, sthanam, state, upaiti, achieves, cha, and adyam, the primeval. The individual who is steadfast in yoga discerns the truth about the two eternal paths and experiences the best of results, those that cannot be guaranteed even by performing rituals and adhering to Vedic injunctions. Thereby, he attains the abode of the Supreme God. Having known this, the yogi rises above all the proclaimed meritorious results to be obtained by studying the Vedas, by performing sacrificial rites, by engaging in austerities, and verily by charity. Thereby, the yogi achieves the primeval and supreme state. Shukla Krishne Gati Yete Jagata Shashvate Mate Ekaya Yatyana Vrittim Anyaya Vartate Punaha. Shukla Krishne Gati Yete Jagata Shashvate Mate Ekaya Yatyana Vrittim Anyaya Vartate Punaha. Naite Sruti Partha Janan Yogi Muhyati Kaschana Tasmat Sarveshu Kaleshu Yoga Yukto Bhavarjuna. Naite Sruti Partha Janan Yogi Muhyati Kaschana Tasmat Sarveshu Kaleshu Yoga Yukto Bhavarjuna. Vedeshu yajneshu tapassu chaiva daneshu yat punya phalam pradishtam atyeti tat sarvamidam viditva yogi param sthanamupaiti chadyam. Vedeshu yajneshu tapassu chaiva daneshu yat punya phalam pradishtam atyeti tat sarvamidam viditva yogi param sthanamupaiti chadyam. Om Tat Sat Iti Shrimad Gitasu Upanishatsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Akshara Brahma Yogo Nama Ashtamodhyayaha. Shri Krishnarpanamastu.